Hello, my name is Edward Jones, and I'm about to show you a demonstration of the driest and healthiest sanitary napkin in the world, cherished by Aspire Network. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the bell below for updates and notifications, and contact me. My contact information is below. Thank you. And also you can get more information at wetdrytest.com. Let's begin. Now I'm going to take apart the cherished sanitary napkin. And we're going to do the exact same thing and go through it layer by layer. Now if you would like more information, like I said, you can call me, text me, email me. And if you'd like to have an actual demonstration in your home, in your church, or wherever, get in touch with me. I'll go around and do these demonstrations for you. Because seeing is believing, especially touching. Wow. This top layer right here, the reason this is so soft, this is 100% cotton. And can you see those little holes in it, those little micro perforations? That's for breathability. Keeps you cool, moisture passes through, and just as we saw on the dryness test, it does not come back up. It prevents reverse percolation. 100% cotton. Ladies, you know how soft cotton is. This next layer, this is where the magic happens. This is a 100% all-natural algae strip infused with negative ions. Now I want you to do your own research, just like I did, just like anyone should when you hear things like this. Do some research online. You'll find a ton of information about negative ions. Negative ions are in the atmosphere, especially prevalent after a rainstorm, at the beach, at waterfalls. You have an abundance of negative ions then. That's why you feel so relaxed and refreshed after a rain shower or at the beach or something like that. Not stressed out at all. Some of the benefits of negative ions are they help to balance the body's pH. Your body has to be at a certain pH level to be healthy. Another thing negative ions do is they help to neutralize odor. Let me say that again, ladies. I know it's very important. Negative ions help to neutralize odor. That's right. These negative ions, any bacteria build up, they help to neutralize it. No more heavy body sprays, heavy body lotions, it's things like that or when you're on your cycle, because this helps to reduce it. We're getting testimonials back from women all over the place. Everybody's testimonial is different. Some of the testimonials we're getting back because of this negative ion strip here is that women's cycles have been, they're reporting that their cycles are actually being shortened. That's right. Some women have said that if they have a 6-day cycle, it's been reduced to 5 days or 4 days, or if they have a 4-day cycle, it's been reduced to 3 days. Now, would you rather have a shorter cycle? It's not going to be that way for everybody, but these are the testimonials we're getting in. We've also been getting in testimonials from women who are in menopause or slightly thereafter, and when they're just using the panty liners and talking about how these negative ions are helping to reduce, and get this, helping to reduce or eliminate their hot flashes. Testimonials. Everybody's going to be different. Testimonials. Now, here's something that you hear women talking about all the time. Cramps. You know, the cramping that goes on during that time of the month, ladies. We're getting testimonials back because of the negative ions and the effect it has on the body as far as balancing the pH and relaxing the muscles, that cramps are being reduced or completely eliminated. It's going to be different for everybody, but those are the type of testimonials that women are getting online and freely giving. Do your own research. Next, we're going to go to the absorbency system. The Cherish absorbency system is wrapped in a layer of air-laid paper. Soft, absorbent, stops reverse percolation. This is a plant-based polymer, the same polymer that's found in baby diapers. It is regulated by the FDA. That way it is safe for you. Now what I'm going to do with this, only to be fair, I'm going to take the Cherish absorbency system, And I'm going to roll it up just like I did with the leading brand. And I'm going to place it in a cup that has the most amount of liquid in it. This is that layer of air-laid paper that holds the absorbency system. Soft, breathable. Look at there, ladies. Now, the bottom layer. This bottom layer, can you see those little micro perforations and those little strips? Looks like little lines there. That's for breathability. This sanitary napkin by Inspired Network is completely designed for breathability, to help keep you cool, help keep you dry. And look, ladies, it's not plastic. Plastic does not tear like that.